Hi all, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to discuss about present continuous and present perfect continuous. I am Anil from Care College of Nursing. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain about present continuous tense. Subject plus be form plus verb ing. Okay, so in present continuous we are basically dealing with something what's going on right in front of us. It's giving emphasis for the present sense. Alright, so we are waiting for you. We are waiting for you means what is right now at the moment while we are talking. What's going on? We are waiting for you. Alright, so they are playing in the park. So they are playing in the park is directly saying that what is right now going on. Alright, so dad is cooking rice for dinner or lunch. Dad is cooking rice for lunch. So what is going on? All these examples giving us that what is going on right now. It's giving emphasis for the present thing. What is on progress now? It's already started. It's on progress. हो सकता है आने वाला और हो सकता है that will be continuing it. All right. So let's see some more examples. So how it is different from present continuous and present perfect continuous. ये दोनों continuous tense है. इसमें अंदर क्या है, डिफरेंस क्या है, where we will use present perfect continuous instead of present continuous. That in detail we are going to look at. All right. So I told you that present tense means what's going on right now. उसमें past से कुछ संबंध नहीं है. Okay, what's going on right now. That's what present continuous means. But हमें ये देखना है एक पिक्चर देखो, ये तो फ्यूचर है, what's going to happen. The present, that means where we are standing right now, and if it is past tense, what happened already here, and there is a time duration is there, or this is the past life. In this picture, I'm going to explain the sentence, we have been waiting for you for 2 hours. For example, where we are telling, so we are talking about this in the present. We are standing here in the present. Okay, we are standing about something in the past. Okay, 2 hours before, what happened? We started waiting for you. Okay, that's what it is. We have been waiting for you for 2 hours. So it started somewhere in the past, maybe 2 hours before. So that 2 hours duration is there. Is clearly this is a past sort. It started actually 2 hours before. That's completely a past. But that time onwards, the action is actually not yet finished. It's on progress. And right now, the moment we are talking, that time also it's on progress. So that type of sentence, in that type of situation, we can use only present perfect continuous tense. So when you say in simple present continuous tense, we cannot convey what happened in the past. Okay, when we are telling something in the present continuous, it's merely happening here. It's not happening here. We mean that it's only happening here. Okay, when we say that 2 hours before, it's already started the action. So then that means we have to ask that. Okay, so I am waiting. We are waiting for you. So for how long? The answer should be not in present tense. It should be in present perfect tense. Means present perfect tense only convey an idea which started in the past. Okay, so we have been waiting for you for 2 hours in the past. It's already started here 2 hours before. Okay, at the point of time, maybe if you think that the 2 hours before is only 11 a.m. So it started at the point of 11 a.m. and it's actually on progress. Right now we are talking after 2 hours, we are talking here. So maybe 1 o'clock we are standing here and we are talking it. We have been waiting for you for 2 hours. All right, so see, look at the formula once again, the structure. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing. All right, so subject has plus means if the subject is third person singular, we will use have, has, and the rest of the sentence, I have, you have, they have. So you everywhere we use have. So subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ka ing form. That's a formula, that's a structure for that. All right. So I just want to point out one thing, that if you want to say in two types we can say that, okay, we have been waiting for you for 2 hours, or we have been waiting for you since 11 o'clock. This is actually the point of time where you started the action. Okay, if you are mentioning that instead of saying the period, the total amount of time that you spent, but you are saying that where you started. So in both way you can say that the same idea. So when you have to say that, okay, that you will use since. Instead of for, we will use since. We have been waiting for you since 11 o'clock. Or you have to say the total period of time, that for 2 hours you have been waiting. Then you have to say for 2 hours. That's two different ways we can say the same idea. So once again, I just want to say that, okay, when you say in present continuous, अगर आपने present continuous में बात करता है, so सिर्फ वो present की बात करता है, वो past में कुछ मतलब नहीं है. अगर आपको पहले से शुरू हुआ एक एक्शन है, अभी भी हो रहा है, जब आप बात करता है अभी भी वो चल रहा है, यही बात करना है, तो आप प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस में नहीं बात कर सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर वेटिंग हियर फॉर यू, आपको ये नहीं बोल सकता है वी आर वेटिंग हियर फॉर यू फॉर 2 hours, ये नहीं बोल सकता है. Means if you talk in Hindi or any other language, maybe the grammar says like that, but in English grammar it's not allowed. So if you want to say something which started already in the past, you have to mention that in present perfect tense. So now you understand that, okay? So what is the real use of present perfect tense in our life? So in short, I just want to say that present perfect tense duration बोलने के लिए है. Present perfect tense duration बोलने के लिए, to mention duration, to mention that it's already started and doing it. So let's see some more examples for more clarity. Okay, the first example, he has been studying in the library for 3 hours. So the best example, we know it, the structure. He has been studying in the library for 3 hours continually. He's doing that. All right. Now, so he is studying. That means he is studying in the library. What's going on right now? इसके कुछ मतलब नहीं. कब शुरू किया, कितने घंटे से वो पढ़ रहे हैं, इसमें कोई मतलब नहीं. When you say in present continuous, what's going on right now? So that means it's already started and it's going on now. That's all. But you have to clearly mention that it's actually going on for a while. So you have to use present perfect tense. He has been studying in the library for 3 hours. Another one, Chitra has been singing different kinds of songs since from her childhood. Another expression. Okay, we are not specifically saying hours. We are just saying that, okay, since from her childhood. So Chitra has been singing different kinds of songs since from her childhood. All right, so that's also a beautiful example. Another example, Suraj has been traveling around the world. Yeah, we are not talking about what's going on right now. It's already started. Okay, it's already there. So he has been doing it for a while. So that belongs to, the action is clearly started somewhere in the past. That's what the mention. Okay. So another example, I haven't been watching the cricket since last March. Okay, I have not watching cricket since last March. Okay, I have not been watching cricket since last March. What does that mean? It's a negative sentence. मैंने cricket देखना छोड़ दिया. कब से? Last March से. Okay, so that's a negative sentence. So in an informal writing or in spoken language, we would say, I haven't been watching the cricket since last March. That's an informal way we say that, okay? Or in the informal writing, we'll write like that, or in the spoken language, we would say that instead of have not, we say haven't. All right, so another one, have you been waiting long? Okay, that means, are you waiting? No, ये नहीं पूछ सकता है. Somebody हमारे लिए actually बहुत अंडे से actually इंतजार कर रहे हैं, so हमको are you waiting ये नहीं बोल सकता है. ये क्या बोल सकता है? Have you been waiting long? No, I haven't. It's not so long. Okay, so that's what that is. Okay, have you been waiting so long? No, I haven't. What have you been doing? What are you doing and what have you been doing? There is actually a difference. What are you doing means when you are talking something to like this to somebody, that means what is going on right now. अभी आप क्या कर रहा है? What are you doing? But आप आजकल क्या चल रहा है? आज आपके जीवन में क्या चल रहा है ये पूछना है तो you have to ask the question in present perfect tense. That means present perfect continuous tense. What have you been doing? Okay. Another is how long he has been watching the TV. Look at that. How long he has been watching the TV. So I think with the examples, it's more clear that where to use present perfect continuous rather present continuous. So to be more proper, when you have to speak like a native speaker, we have to use this properly. So we cannot use every time just a simple present continuous, but we have to use, if we are mentioning something, an action which already started in the past and still it's continuing, we have to use definitely the present perfect continuous tense instead of just present continuous tense. I hope this video is actually beneficial to you. Thank you for watching. Keep watching us. Thank you so much.